Hi guys, today we're going to be covering one Indiegogo campaign which I've backed. This is by Moft. Okay, this is a tablet stand for tablets. Moft has already created one of these for the laptop and it was a huge success. That was one of the reasons why I decided to back it up when they have the tablet version. Now I've got two versions, one is the phone version and one is the tablet version. I'll show you guys the phone version which I already bought and unboxed to be able to show you guys how is the quality like, so they have an estimation of what the quality of the tablet version will be like. So this is the phone version, so once you put it up, it's able to stand just like this. Or even if you want a vertical mode, you're able to put it just like this. One of the very interesting features of this stand is that you can store cards in it. 1, 2, and up to 3 cards. So for the phone version, it cost about 16 USD when I first backed it up, but unfortunately it has gone up in price, but it's still very affordable. I'll be putting my link right down in the description below so that you guys can be able to find the Indiegogo campaign. So let's move on to the tablet version. I'll be unboxing it and mounting up on my tablet to show you guys how it's being installed. Now this is the tablet version. Why did I get this in the first place? It is because I've got covers for my tablet, but all of them can only be mounted on landscape mode. So if my tablet were to be here, it will be in just this manner. So it's unable to have the portrait mode like this which I want. So it doesn't really work for me, as I wanted it to be a bit slanted so that I can use the tablet like I will use a phone on a slanted or inclined angle. So let's open this up. Okay, I like that there's this perforation line here so that you can just tear it up. Okay, so here is the thing by itself. Looks very promising. Later we'll be doing a test to see how sturdy this is. So this is my Samsung S5e tablet with the casing on it. So before we start, we need to wipe this clean of any dirt so that it doesn't affect the stickiness of the stand itself. There seems to be quite a lot of dirt and fingerprints on this, so I've got to make sure that it's definitely wiped clean. Okay, so my tablet is on the table right here. I'll be taking out this protective layer and placing this gently at the bottom. Okay, so this is how it looks. So unlike the phone version, this is not able to store any cards right here. I don't know why, but I guess it's not a very big factor for me, as I'll unlikely put things right behind my tablet when I can just put it in my phone. So here it is. This is the portrait mode. And this is the landscape mode. So one thing good about this Moft design is that I can hold it and use it this way. Just like the ones that I use for my phone, I'm able to hook my hand right behind the tablet or the phone itself so that it doesn't slip. Now there is a test for this tablet to see how strong and how sturdy this is. I'm going to try to put some books on top of it and see how it works. Okay, so I managed to get myself a few different books here. Let's bring in the tablet with the stand and see how well it stacks against some of the weight of these books. Okay, let's put a few here. As you can see, I'm able to stack 7 different books right here. I'm really impressed with the sturdiness of this tablet stand, and it's one of the best buys that I've got. Now, okay, with the books at the side, let's bring in both of them and talk about the pricing. Now, the phone version costs about 16 USD, while the tablet version costs about 21 USD. I managed to get both of them at 31 USD excluding shipping, as it was an early bird discount. Unfortunately, the early bird discount has already ended, but it'll be just a slight hike increase in price if you get it now. So now, with that said, my faith in Indiegogo and Kickstarter has really been reignited again. I'm really quite impressed with the things that I got out of this, and especially after using this phone version for at least 3 days. Now, if you like this video, it's likely that you'll like other videos on my channel too. Please click on the playlist right here so that it will bring you to the other videos which I've done for this channel so far. Now, I hope you like this first impression and unboxing of this Moft tablet stand and the phone stand. Please leave me a thumbs up if you have enjoyed this video, and subscribe down below if you haven't done so yet. Do leave me in the comments below what do you like about this video, or be it the products itself. If not, I'll see you guys in the next video.